Good evening, children.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so children, which chapter we are learning? Add and
Add and subtract unlike fractions.
unlike fractions. Add and subtract unlike fractions. And children, you know what we have to do? We have to make like fractions. How we are making like fractions?
By finding the
By
LCM.
finding the LCM. Then we are adding or subtracting. Okay, so children, now I will
Ma'am,
call.
I did a homework.
Yes. Okay. And I have sent the notes. You can check. Okay. Notes I have sent. Okay. Now we are going to, what's the answer, Angelina? Tell me the answer of question number 16B.
4 by 42.
4 by 42. Okay, children. All of you got the answer. Question number 16B. 4 by 42. Now we are going to do question number 17. That is word problems. Here, children, we have found, we already discussed how to find the sum and how to add or subtract the unlike fractions. Now we are going to do word problems. In that, you, as usual, how you are finding word problems? Is it addition problem or is it subtraction problem? Like that same, you have to read the question, identify whether it is subtract or add. Okay, so you have to look at the question and understand the problem. Okay, now go them. Read question number 17. 17.
Okay, ma'am. Rishi got 4 by 17 of a cake and he ate 1 by 12 of it. How much of the cake is left?
Okay. How much cake is left? Tell me, is it addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay, so children, we know in word problems, if we see the word, how many more, how much left, how much remaining, all these are subtraction problem. And how we can find, identify word problems for addition? Yes, Agni. Keywords,
Ma'am,
can you say?
how much all
How much in all or total?
total
How many together?
Together.
Okay, how much both have? All these are keywords that will help us to identify the problems, that is addition. The
addition.
same way, but here instead of numbers we are using fractions. Only
So
that
we
much, only that much
So we
difference.
should find the
All
LCM.
same. Yes.
So we should find the LCM.
LCM. Here children 17 and 12. It is
No.
Ma'am,
There is
already
no
they are 17 is prime number. So what you have to do? You have to multiply
multiply.
17
mine
and 12. Then
204 is the LCM.
204 you will get. Okay. So children, we have to write the steps. All of you. What you have to do? Start with fraction or part of the cake Rishi got. So it is given Rishi got 4 by 17 of a cake. So this is children page number 30 we can write. Page number 30. 29 the question and we have to write the answer in page number 30. Question number 17. Okay, children. So what we can write here? Part of the cake Rishi got. Part of the cake.
Rishi got.
Part of the cake. Rishi
4 by
got.
7. 4 by 17.
So it is given already the first sentence itself, that is 4 by 17.
17.
Next one, children, what you have to write? How much he ate? So part of the cake Rishi
1 by 2.
ate.
Ma'am, we can write part of the cake he ate.
Yes, that also we can write. Here only one person, how much part he got and how much part he ate. That is the steps. So part of the cake Rishi ate.
Part of the cake.
Part of the cake.
Now we should use Rishi or he ate.
Anything, no problem. Part of the cake, Rishi or he. Here we are writing Rishi. If you want to write he, because there is no other person. So if you write he or she, not she, he or his name. Part of the cake Rishi ate. That is
1 by 12.
1 by 12. Now children, you have to find the LCM of 12 and 17. And I told you 17 is a prime number. So there is
So
no
we should
common
multiply.
factors. You can multiply. Find the LCM. All of you find the LCM. 17 times 12.
204. Dimension is 204.
Okay. So next, what you have to write? Find the LCM. LCM of
17
of
and 12.
12 and 17.
17.
Children, find out and tell me.
204.
Did you get all of you? Find out the LCM. I told you here 17, it's prime number. So you have to multiply 17 and 12. And all of you got? Yes, Anthony? Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 204.
Yes. So all of you got 204. How many got? Children, raise your hand. How many children got it? 204. Yes. So it's clear. We can write here. Now you have to make 204. 204. Children, now you have to write 4 by 17 is how much? By which number you have to multiply to get?
Ma'am, 17 into 12.
So 4 by 17
into 12.
Yes. So which is the next other number? Yeah.
12.
So
12
12
into 17. 12.
204. Find out
48
12 4. 12 4
48
is
by 2. Ma'am, 48.
48.
48.
Okay, 48.
Then 1 by 12 into 17.
1 by 12 you have to multiply by the other number. That is all.
1 by
Which is
12 into
17.
17. 17
by
17 by
17 by 204. So children, find out 4
Ma'am,
by
31 by
17. See, 4 by 17, that is equal to 4 by 17. That is equal to 48 by 204.
Ma'am,
Yeah, 1 by 12, that is equivalent to 17 by 204. Now subtract.
31 by 204.
31 by 200.
31 by
Ma'am,
204.
31 by 204.
Okay, 204. All the children find out alone. Okay, so children be quiet. Let them find. Otherwise, they will not find. 204. So 48 by 204 minus 17 by 204. So it is 31.
31 by
1 by
204.
So this is the answer. This is the part left with Rishi. So children, what you have to do? You have to find the LCM. LCM is 204. So you have to find the equivalent fraction 4 by 17. That is equal to 48 by 204. 1 by 12. That is equivalent to 17 by 204. Now you have to subtract. So we will write the last step. Therefore, you can write.
Rishi left with
The fraction of the cake left.
Therefore,
Rishi left the part. The
Ma'am,
part of the
Yes.
cake was
ma'am, we can write so 31 by 204 is left.
yes. So we can write any. That is okay, children. If some is
Ma'am, we can write
here
like
and
this.
there.
The fraction of the cake left 31
Yes,
by
that also
204.
correct. Okay. So
31
therefore,
2 by 2.
31 by 204 part of the cake is
Part of the cake was
left with him or left with Rishi. That all correct. Part of the cake,
left with him.
part of the cake is left with Rishi.
Next question.
Left with Rishi. So 31. Therefore, 31 by 204. Part of the
Part of the
cake
cake
is left
is left with
Rishi.
Rishi.
Okay, children, finished?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have not finished, write it fast. We can do the next question, question number 18.
Ma'am, that question.
Okay, I will send the notes also. Okay, children. Now,
Ma'am, wait, the question
Adil
is so easy.
Shafiq. Adil. Can you read? Adil, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 18.
You gave 1/3 of a pan of brownies to Suman and 1/6 of the brownies to Arhan. What fraction of the brownies did you give? How much of brownies is left?
So, okay, children, here what do we have to do? Can you say? You
Ma'am,
gave
is-
away 1/3 of brownies to
Ma'am.
Suman and 1/6 of the brownies to Arhan. What fraction did you give away?
Ma'am.
So,
So
first
how
you have
much
to do.
and how much
Ah.
was left?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for this question, we should add 1/3 and 1/6 and
Okay.
subtract
So,
from
children,
the
here we have to do two operations. That is, one is addition.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the second question you have to do, how much
Subtraction.
of brownies is left?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can see
In
left
that,
means that we have to do subtraction. So,
first
question,
we should
what
add and we
fraction
should
you gave
subtract.
away? You have to add how
First
much
we
you
should
gave for Suman and how much you gave for Arhan. You have to add. So, here what you have to do? You have to do both addition and
Subtraction.
okay, understood. How
Yes,
much
ma'am.
you gave away means how much you
2/6.
gave for Suman plus Arhan.
Ma'am,
Now,
it's
next
2/6.
question, how much is left with you? That left means you have to do subtraction. Okay, children. So we will do together. Question number 18. Here
Ma'am,
we have to
3
do.
by 6 is answer.
Wait. Don't
Brownies
say the answer
giveaway.
faster.
Yes, ma'am. 3/6.
Okay, children. Try to do question number 18. So what we can write the first step? Fraction of brownies given to
Fraction of
Suman.
brown.
Fraction of brownies.
Fraction of brownies.
Fraction of brownies.
Brownies. Gave to
Fraction of brownies given to
gave
Suman.
Ma'am, we can write fraction of brownie to Suman.
Okay, that also no problem.
given to Suman.
Given to Suman.
Suman. 1/3.
1/3.
1/3.
Next, like the same, fraction of brownies given to Arhan. You can
Fraction
write fraction of brownies. So, children, this is question page number 30. Again, it is from page
Given
number
to-
30, part 2 workbook. Fraction of brownies given to
Arhan.
1/6.
1/6.
fraction of brownies given to
Arhan. 1/6.
Arhan.
1/6.
Nice name. I have here only Arfan. Arhan, first time I am hearing. 1/3. Now this is 1/6.
And 1/3.
Okay, next step, total fraction. Okay, total fraction that is given to Suman and Arhan. So what we can write?
It's 3/6.
Total fraction.
About 3 and 6.
Ma'am, 3/6.
Okay, right.
3 and 6
Next step. Total fraction of brownies. Total fraction of brownies.
Please.
Total fraction of brownies.
Given to both of them.
Brownies given to Suman and Arhan. Given
Ma'am,
to
both
Suman
of
and
We can add both of them.
okay, that also correct. Given to Suman and Arhan, or you can write given to both of them, no problem. Suman and Arhan.
Nothing.
Add and write 1/3 plus
3/6.
1/6. So
3/6.
children, this easily you can do. 1 by 3. You can make, how you can make here? Into 2. Multiply by 2. So 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6.
3 by 6.
2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 3 by 6.
When the total, what should be?
So children, if you want to
subtracted?
reduce, how you can reduce? The highest common factor you can divide and write. What's
1
the
by
answer?
2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Yes.
1 by 2. Yes, ma'am.
If we want to reduce into lowest form, we can divide by highest common factor. So you can divide by 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. So 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2.
Ma'am,
Ah.
that is 1 by 6.
Yes.
Ma'am, that is 1 by 6.
Fraction left. Okay. Now how much of brownies is left? That you have to find out. So children, from one full I am taking away half.
Man 6
So
by
how
6.
much is left?
Man 3 by 6 minus
3
6
by 6. Huh? The
3
total.
by 6.
You know
ma'am.
total fraction what will be?
6 by 6.
6 by 6.
Ma'am, 3 by 6 is the answer.
Children, listen to me. All of you listen to me. If you are not reducing, the answer you got is 3 by 6. So total means what? If the numerator and denominator are same, 6 by 6. You have 1, from that you are giving. So from 6 by 6, you are giving away 3 by 6. So you can write 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3 by 6 again. Or if you are taking 1 by 2, I have reduced no. In that 1 by 2, what is the total denominator is 2. So you can make 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Anyway, that is correct. Both of the way, 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 because they are equivalent fractions. So children, here look here. We have reduced the fraction 1 by 2. So there is 3 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So from here, if we write 3 by 6 and 1 by 2, both are same. Is that clear? Is there any doubt regarding that equivalent fraction, children?
No,
3 by
ma'am.
6. 3 by 6?
No, ma'am.
What is the denominator? 3 by 6?
6.
6.
6 is
So
the
if you are
denominator.
taking 1 means 6 by 6. So
Yes,
when we are reducing, it is becoming 1 by 2. So what is the denominator here? 1 by 2.
2.
2. 2
Two.
is the denominator. So what is the full here? 2 by 2.
2 by 2. 2 by
Understood?
2 minus 1 by 2.
So I'm going to take 1 by 2. We have already found out. So we can write next step. Fraction of brownies left. The last step. Fraction of brownies left. Fraction of brownies left. So children, we have to take fraction of brownies left means always what is the full? That is 1 minus here we have, look here in the last here, what is the total fraction of brownies given? So you have to take 1 from the full, take away. I have given how much? 3 by 6. That 3 by 6 I have reduced to 1 by 2. We have already studied how to reduce the fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so children, here I will tell you what we can write here. 1 minus 1 by 2. So I told you how if the denominator is here 2, what is full? 2 by 2. This 1. Instead of 1, you know 6 by 6 is equal to 1. 3 by 3. Both numerator and denominator, if they are same, that means full. Okay. So 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, Richard, can you tell me? 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Richard? Yes, Agnay?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2.
2 minus 1 is 1. And by 2, 1 by 2. Or if you write from 6. Yes, Agnay? What's the doubt?
Ma'am, we can also write 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6 directly.
That also you can write 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6. So what you will get? 3 by 6.
3 by 6.
Again you can reduce. You will get what? 1 by 2.
1 by 2. So
Okay.
I can write 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. So children, if you are writing here 1 by 2, it is, we can write here also. That is 1 by 2. So here if you are writing 3 by 6, what do you have to do? From 6 by 6, you have to take away 3 by 6. Now again, if you find, you will get the answer 3 by 6. So that answer again you can reduce. So better you reduce here itself.
Ma'am, I
If you
didn't
reduce in the last step also, no problem. Anyway, the answer is 1 by 2. Because 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fractions. Okay, children? Completed? Is there anyone have not finished? Is there anyone not finished? The last step. So, fraction of brownies left. What is the fraction of brownies left with the left? That is 1 by 2. So, children, you can write here 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. So, what is 1? If the numerator and denominator are same. Here the numerator is 2 and the denominator also 2. 2 minus 1. So, the answer is 1, 1 by 2. So, the final step is 1 by 2. I hope we can do one more question. Yes? Yes, Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony?
Ma'am, the last left is 3 by 6, right?
3 by 6 reduced again by dividing by common factor. 3 and 6 can be divided by 3. Yes, Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is 3 divided by 3?
1,
1. What is 6 divided by 3?
2.
2. So the final answer you can reduce and write 1 by 2.
Ma'am, here they told to reduce.
They didn't tell to reduce. But if you write 3 by 6 also same. I told you they are equivalent fraction. So if you write 3 by 6 also correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Gautam.
Ma'am, in that 18, the last two stream we can write. So, like that we can write, right?
Can you say louder?
Ma'am, in that 18, those stream we can write. So, the total is 3 by 6.
Fraction
and
of, we can write, if you want write one more time, you can write. So, or therefore, fraction of the brownies left. So, here we have written already, fraction of brownies left. That's why I'm not writing again. So, if you want to write again, you can write. Therefore, fraction of the brownies left is equal to 1 by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, or therefore, the fraction of brownies left. Okay, Richard, can you read question number 19?
19 A or B?
A. Only A.
Sunday played chess for 5 by 7 of an hour and carom for 11 by 13 of an hour. For how much less time did Sunny play chess?
For how much less time did Sunny play chess? So what we have to do? Tell me.
Abstract.
For how much less, how much more? What we will do in that cases? Yes, Richard?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, children, you have to do add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract, very good.
Subtract.
Okay, that comparison always. How many less, how many more? That comparison, how much? That is always what we will do? We will do subtract.
Subtract.
Okay. So, what can be the first step? Sunny played chess for 5/7 of an hour and caroms for 11/13.
Sunny played chess. Fraction of Sunny played chess equal to 5 by
Fraction of
7.
Sunny.
Ma'am,
Then make-
fraction
No,
of
no,
an hour.
fraction of an hour.
Sunny
We
played
can
Or
write fraction of an hour, or we can write part of an hour, because here in the question it is given Sunny played chess for 5/7 of an hour. So part, you know what is a fraction? Fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Part of
Part
a
of
whole.
a
Alim,
whole.
are you writing?
Ma'am, we
Ah.
can do fraction of time.
We can write fraction of time or part of time. Okay, so children, we can write. I think 5 more minutes are there. Will you be able to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can do faster. Okay, question number 17. No, it's 19. Which was 19A. So children, I told you clearly, you can write part of an hour or fraction of an hour. Part of an hour. Part of an hour for which Sunny played chess. For which Sunny played chess. Sunny played chess for 5/7. 5/7. 5/7. Next one, carom. So again, you can write part of an hour for which Sunny played carom. So, or we can write carom. That is also enough. Because we have to write A and we have to write B. So we should find the place. So 11/13. Now next, the difference. So here, for how much less time did Sunny play chess? So we are finding here the difference. So we will write the difference equal to what we have to do? 11/13 minus 5/7. Children, here you can do the cross multiplication method also, because 13 and 7 they are. So what is here? We can write 11 into 7. 11 into 7 minus 5 into 13 divided by 13 into 7. Find out the LCM, all of you. Or children, if you have doubt, no need to write like this. LCM of 13, 7. 13 and 7. What is LCM? Find out and tell me faster. Yes, children, I hope you can do this now. Find the LCM. Can you do this as homework? What is LCM? 91. LCM is equal to 91.
13 into 7.
Can write difference only. We cannot
Yes.
write only difference. We can only write difference.
You can write any other sentence. Can you tell me
Ma'am,
the
what
sentence?
is the last step?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what is the last step?
Can anyone say one time? Yes, Anandesh.
We should write LCM also.
LCM equal to
Because why we are finding the LCM? Because both the denominators are different. That's why. Yes, Agni, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, what will be the
Last step.
ma'am?
We are finding the difference now. So
Ma'am,
find out
for
the
how
answer.
much less time did Sunny play chess?
So Sunny played chess for this much an hour less than that of caroms.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that if and find out the children, please find out the answer.
Ma'am, I
Two answers
finished.
you have to do here. Last sentence I will send. Okay, no problem.
60 by
Next
91,
one, what do you have to
16
do
by
here?
91. 16 by 91 is the answer.
We will find. Do this as homework. What do you have to do? 91 is the LCM. So 11 by 13 times which number you have to find out? 7.
7.
Find out the fraction. Don't say the answer now. 5 by 7. Multiplied by which number? Multiplied by
13. 13.
13. Find out the answer and tell me.
Ma'am, 77 by 91 minus 65 by
Okay, don't
71.
all children has to
791.
do this alone. Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.